I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Brasidas University. Now today we are discussing about the impact of internet in e-commerce on strategic management. Impact of internet and e-commerce. Internet and e-commerce. On strategic management. You know very well that what is the internet and what is the e-commerce. In generally, we have to just put on the commerce. Commerce is basically a business where two parties is to be involved face by face. One is ready to accept and second is ready to give. There should be a certain value of transaction in between this. This is basically a commerce approach is to be there. Both the parties should get benefited by each others. E-commerce means electronic commerce. Electronic. I will just discuss. Okay. So when we have to talk about the electronic commerce, that means some electronic cheese should be there. So if you have to go for the literal definition or literal values to be there, e-commerce refers to all the forms of transactions related to commercial activities, including both organization as well as individuals, that are based upon you can say, if a general base to be there, because based upon the processing and transmission of the digitalized forms, data including text, values, visual image, this type of activities to be carried out. That means each and everything on the electronic media is to be there. That is so the transaction will not take by the face by face, it will be by the mode of the electronic. So one party should be here, second party should be here, in between there is a bridge that is known as a electronics. That is just like a e-commerce business is to be there. So in generally we can say e-commerce business has the two values. What are the two values? Or say, if you manufacturing, anything is to be there. So we manufacture and then take that product to the user hand directly. This is the producer, this is the consumer. We will produce anything and reach in the hand of the consumer. It is known as a B2C business. Business to consumer and business to consumer. And if we produce something, then they will process something like business to business, and then they have to reach on the consumer hand. So this is known as basically the B2B business. Like we manufacture certain components of any product is to be there. Then sell that component to that particular company, and then they will manufacture the particular product, and then they will reach on the consumer level. So this is known as so in this basically there's a two approach was there, two applications to be there. We usually B2B or B2C. In business to business, this is the usual approach was there, because everyone is not perfect, everyone is not competent, everyone is not 100% foolproof is to be there. So they will take the opportunity of already. And consumer is ultimate source, so that product will be released on later on consumer's hand is to be there. Now, what is basically electronic commerce? Generally, in a simple process, we have seen that we manufacture one thing, and then this is producer, this is consumer. We manufacture something like समोसा हमने बनाया, like if I am a हलवाई, so सीधे कंज्यूमर को दिया, कंज्यूमर ने खा लिया, फिनिश. This is direct marketing. Like, we introduce direct to the consumers. But in the electronics, things will be different. And business to business, business to marketing is to in the general marketing terms, now we have to come down the electronic commerce in which areas to be there. So generalize, if you have to take up the general process to be there. Like producer, if anything is to be producer. Then wholesaler. Then retailer. Wholesaler, then retailer के बाद then consumer like that. Generally, this is the general channel is there. So where this consumer can be come down. So producer give the goods to seller, retailers or the dealers to the consumer. This is general chain. This is the general process in our business strategy model. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if consumer want anything, he will go directly to this channel or this type. This is the general. But whenever any E thing entered, E, electronic, turnt, quick, what the quick is to be there? If the consumer, generally, in the order, this is the order. This is the payment. Then from this is the payment. This is general process. This is the payment process. If we add on 1 day in every process, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days is to be required from starting of this point to this point, availability of the goods, and the same thing 4 days they require for the payment side also, from this point to this point. But this is the general trading process was there, and this is coming, this is already implemented, this is already going on in last so many years. ऐसे ही चल रहा था, ऐसे ही. Now, after the digitalization, digital process was carried out, a lot of changes is to be taken care. A lot of process is to be, utilization is to be there. Now the condition is to be little bit changed. So, we have to, what the new model can be is to be come down in the terms of the e-commerce. New model. Market is the same. Production is the same. Consumer is the same, but the new model is to be there. And new model is known as seller. Right? He want to sell anything is to be there. Then seller launches their website. Seller website. Then this is the one side. Second is customer. Customer. Whatever. Whether maybe it's a B or maybe it's a C. Maybe business man or maybe consumer. And shipment. How we will get down the goods is to be there. And then the payment process. 3 things. This is the later on. Seller and the customer. In this certain channel is to be come down. Buyers and seller, there are certain channels to be come down. Now, if we want to take any type of thing, customer need any information there, he will go and see the seller website. They have to provide information. Right? And when information he got it and give the order. What the seller do? Seller website, got the information, seller this things will be required. He will develop a consignment by the values of the shipment. A shipment is reached down to direct customer. Here, how they will take the payment? Now the process will be simple. If customer need anything, he will go through the seller's website, and sellers got the information. If a customer needed some product, and he will just ready goods and then ship the things. Now there's a two options to be there. Maybe he told that cash on delivery. When you get down the payment, you just give down the payment to the shipment. This is the shipment. This process. You just give the payment. You just give the shipment. Or you just pay the amount directly to our website. Direct payment. To our website, your shipment is given. Like this payment. So, payment directly by the customer, reach down the companies to be there, and this stuff, or there is some channel, this payment will directly reach in the front of the sellers to be there. Because if the payment to be taken care by the ship person, shipment partner, the people that carries to be there. So e-commerce now, how many days to be required? He just seen the goods or given the order, within a 2 hours, the seller ship their product, maybe 1 day or later, the product will be reached down in the hand of customer, and when he got the payment is to be, when? Maybe possible the same day, if goods are in essential commodities or in a cash on delivery, as and when he received the payment here, like shipment, he will just inform if we got the payment, because that is working on the company side, we will just think that the seller got the payment. This is basically the process to be e-commerce transaction, where each and everything on the electronic commerce, electronic platform, whether the consumer, whether the businessman is to be there. Now, what is the impact of that? It's e-commerce business impact. Earlier, the main thing is time consume, time efficiency. This is the main. Now, we have to do one by one is to be there. Like wide market area, first thing is to be, we can reach down. Second, ease of operations. Everyone can easily handle the conditions is to be there. Next, lower transaction cost. Earlier, we take the goods, step by, and then we have to take. So easy step is to be there. Then lower inventory requirement. No need of to do a wholesaler or whatever. You just put down direct customer. You just give down order. Complete tracking was to be there. You just hand it over. So low maintenance, low inventory management is to be. Then shopping from home or workplace, anywhere where we have to require, we just give the order, we get down the orders to be there in the time frame. Then increased customer orientation, customer interactions, because we are directly related with the customers, we know if there any problem is to be there, if anything is can be come down. So we will inform immediately and customer will be taken care. Like in today's company, a lot of online companies to be there, they are treating the business like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, a lot of. They are doing the same process to be there. Their same intention is to be there. And then increased seller customer interaction was there. But beside this is the general. We can set on a very good approach on the online trading is to be there, online business is to be there. But अच्छाई के साथ बुराई भी होती है. So there may be a certain problem is to be there. That problem everywhere. Whatever the problem is to be there should be a solution is to be. So one thing is to be like technological problem can be carried out. No one knows about the computers, so definitely they will feel the problem is to there. Then lack of verification in product quality. So you have seen the only image of that particular. Then after there's maybe certain legal problems to be there. We cannot get on every product and every process to be there. So this is the legal thing, or that may be possible in due course of time. This will be carried out. So this is basically the e-commerce. In the strategical commerce ki baat, in the strategical manners to be there. So in the strategy formation is to be there, we have developed that type of strategy. Because the secondary part of that, impact of internet. Internet is basically a media by which we have to carry out this e-transaction is to be there. So internet can be defined as a network of networks. Network of networks. Network of networks is spread throughout the world. So what is the role of, because if we have not taken up this type of activities to be there, internet basically device, internet, you can say now network of network, we have to link with, we have to sit down here and link with all Indians to be there. So this is the networks of networks is to be there, is spread throughout the World Wide Web, and we have to link with the World Wide Web. Through link we have to take care. A lot of protocols, internet protocols is to be carried out. It's access a number of information and services. So without the internet, your e-commerce transaction cannot be take care. You cannot be beyond of that. So what is the impact of internet? Reducing. First, reducing communication cost. Communication cost. If you have to see that, आजकल टेलीग्राम या लेटर्स कोई नहीं लिखता, अब क्या लिखते हैं? ई लेटर, दैट इज अ ईमेल. वी जस्ट राइट इट हियर और जस्ट क्लिक, इमीडिएटली जिसको भेजना था उस तक पहुंच जाता है, उन्हें वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है. सेम थिंग, बिकॉज इंटरनेट हैज दैट टाइप ऑफ फैसिलिटी. वी हैव द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब facilities to be there. A lot of companies is already doing this type of internet business was carried out. So we have to learn reducing the times to be there. Reducing. Second, enhancing communication and coordination. Enhancing communication and coordination. Direct interaction is to be there. A lot of apps is nowadays like WhatsApp. It's roughly. We have to just write down each and everything there. We have to just send the message. They will just receive within a fraction of seconds. They got the information, and if there anything misconception, any misleading is to be there, any misunderstanding was there, they will just send out again message. So this is not clear. Please clarify. We just clarify each and everything. So communication is quick and a very fast manner is to be there. Then accelerating distribution of knowledge. This is the main part. Accelerating distribution of knowledge. You have seen in today's world, like earlier, now mobile is a basic necessity of that, because in the mobile we have got each and every information is to be there. Our mobile, our phone number, our information, our like old letters we know that now converted into email informations, e-knowledge, whatever the information we get out, each and everything is to be there. So misconception can be carried out. So if we have to develop our strategy accordingly, because then only we can. Then facilitating interactive marketing. What the marketing is? Marketing is basically a process where two person was there. They should discuss. This I want to sell. I want to show down each and every performance, each and every. Then we have to evaluate as a consumer. Then we have to pay down the amount. They will give everything. So look, the same thing on online process, online interaction banking or internet e-commerce business to be there, where we have seen a lot of qualities, a lot of things, a lot of abbreviations, a lot of alternatives can be carried out. So by which we have to get the best environment. Then improving customer satisfaction, because a lot of companies take the money back guarantee, money or return back policy, this type of thing. So in the return back policy, if you're not satisfied with the product, you just return the product. So that they will return the amount also. A lot of apparel company, then FMCG's company, lot of they just return the amount is to be. Never ask a single thing is to be. Same thing. Because earlier, like in this is the main advantage to be there, like ticket reservations, this stuff, you can see this type of advantages to be there. Even a lot of leisure company was there, this type. So facilitating internet recruiting. Now, because strategic mission, recruitment. In the recruitment process, what we do, we just publish the ad, then call the resumes, then arrange the interviews. A lot of pressure, a lot of data work is to be carried out. Now we have just filled the, like recently in the last some years to be there, we have to just fill the Google form, etc. Just take up each and every information we just got it. Each and every compiled form was there, and we just take up the printout. Then accordingly we have to arrange the meeting on Skype or social media, Skype on something in online channel was there. Immediately finalization can be take place. No need of the leaves taken by that particular interviewee or the interviewers. We have just like routine process to be there every day. So a lot of cost can be reduced, or as and when the cost is to be reduced, we can say down the process to be carried out. So strategic formulation, whatever the strategy is to be adopted, because then you have the strategic impact. in the strategic impact, we just look after the things economical. Each and every society, everyone want everything to be cheaper and cheaper is to be there. So impact of internet in e-commerce, we get down something cheaper in this to be there. Whatever the product we got in open market is to be maybe possible 10. Is here the chances is ever varieties of product. You can get on best deals to be there, the money back guarantee, money back returns to be there, this stuff is there. Economically, then user friendly approach was there. Then user friendly, economically, then global strategy, we can look after the things is to be there. Global approach. Each and every product, whatever the products you manufacture from anywhere is to be there, you will just get down by a simple click. Or then that product will be yours. Then, so if this type of strategy, this type of implementation, is this type of interaction is to be carried out, we can just say if this is the customer satisfaction level become the higher. So in this today's session, today's values, we have discussed certain things like internet and e-commerce. Both are main things. Without internet, you cannot carry out the e-commerce business. So, in the e-commerce business, our strategy is now changed. We have to know each and every step in that manner by which we can realize what the customer and the consumer want. And accordingly, we have to do the prospectus to be there. If you have to look after what the process, how that this process can be get. If you have to just after Amazon, like an example, Amazon क्या करता है? Amazon ने different लोगों से अपना collaboration लिया, उन्हें एक अपने इंटरनेट प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेके आया. अब आप एज ए कंज्यूमर, इफ आई जस्ट समथिंग कुछ मैं चाहता हूँ, तो आई विल जस्ट गो द Amazon एक मार्केटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म से मार्केट है. हम वहाँ पे गए, हमने अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट देखा, प्रोडक्ट को देखा और उसकी पॉजिटिविटी और नेगेटिविटी इज ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड हियर. Then they told that they will give down 10 to 15 days of return back policy. Whatever the product you want, you just order, reach down in your hand. If you're not comfortable, you just return the things to be there. Local market में ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप देखें, लोकल मार्केट में अगर आप एक कपड़ा भी खरीद के लाते हैं, तो क्लॉथ भी लेके आते हैं, शर्ट भी लाते हैं, तो फिर आप वापस नहीं लेंगे और ना ही आपसे उसका पैसा दिया जाएगा. But here, depend on. I'm not anything is to be there, 100% sure it is to be there, but whenever we have to return down the process to be there, so in the internet and e-commerce business, this thing they have to provide the things. So now in the organizations, when we develop a strategy, we develop motivating factors, we have just click on the things to be there. So in today's lecture, we just summarizing the things in the terms of the business economic, in the terms of the strategic management. Impact of internet e-commerce is a wider role is to be there, and as the role is to be carried out in day by day businesses were there, so we have to look after accordingly economical factors to be there. Right. Thank you.